హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ ఆల్ ఇన్ వన్ తెలుగు టు ఇంగ్లీష్. మీరు నన్ను ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్లో, టెలిగ్రామ్లో ఫాలో చేయాలి అనుకుంటే తెలుగు టు ఇంగ్లీష్ 07 ఐడి ఉంటుంది. ఐడితో సెర్చ్ చేసి ఫాలో చేయండి. మరియు నేను ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్కి మీకు 5 సెకండ్స్ టైం ఇచ్చాను. ఎక్కువ టైం కావాలి అనుకుంటే వీడియోని పాస్ చేసి ఆన్సర్ చేయండి. మరియు మీరు ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్కి ఆన్సర్ చేశారనేది కింద కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో కామెంట్ చేయండి. షీ డాష్ మీ టు గో టు స్కూల్. యువర్ ఆప్షన్స్: సెడ్, told, suggested, made. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. She told me to go to school. You should dash your homework. Your options: give, make, work, do. Your time starts now. Correct answer is do. You should do your homework. We arrived dash India 2 days ago. Your options: in, on, at, to. Your time starts now. The correct answer is A. We arrived in India 2 days ago. I dash a reply to my letter in the next few days. Your options: hope, expect, wait for, get. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. I expect a reply to my letter in the next few days. I went to the shop dash some chocolates. Your options: for buying, for buy, to buy, buy. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. I went to the shop to buy some chocolates. Where is the dash post office, please? Your options: most near, near, more near, nearest. Your time starts now. The correct answer is D. Where is the nearest post office, please? He is interested dash learning English. Your options: on, in, at, for. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. He is interested in learning English. I spoke to dash yesterday. Your options: she, he, him, they. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. I spoke to him yesterday. I don't agree dash your suggestion. Your options: in, at, on, with. Your time starts now. The correct answer is D. I don't agree with your suggestion. Did you dash your teeth this morning? Your options: brushes, brush, brushed, brushing. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Did you brush your teeth this morning? We usually dash a movie every Saturday night. Your options: watching, watched, watches, watch. Your time starts now. The correct answer is D. We usually watch a movie every Saturday night. I dash to call you yesterday. Your options: forget, forgot, I am forgetting, all. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. I forgot to call you yesterday. My sister is dash than me. Your options: shortest, short, more short, shorter. Your time starts now. The correct answer is D. My sister is shorter than me. I borrowed a book dash my friend. Your options: on, to, from, with. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. I borrowed a book from my friend. Dash you like to have dinner dash me. Your options: would with, could with, should with, would to. Your time starts now. The correct answer is A. Would you like to have dinner with me? You dash respect your parents. Your options: could, would, will, should. Your time starts now. correct answer is D. You should respect your parents. I will meet you dash 6 o'clock. Your options: for, in, at, with. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. I will meet you at 6 o'clock. Most of us eat dash a spoon. Your options: by, to, on, with. Your time starts now. The correct answer is D. Most of us eat with a spoon. Dash, you open the window please. Your options: should, could, both, none. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Could you open the window please? Dash, you please bring me a glass of water. Your options: could, should, both, none. Your time starts now. The correct answer is A. Could you please bring me a glass of water? We have dash dinner every night. Your options: an, a, two, none. Your time starts now. The correct answer is D. We have dinner every night. Look at dash parrot in the cage. Your options: the, in, a, an. Your time starts now. The correct answer is A. Look at the parrot in the cage. There is dash book on the table. Your options: the, a, and no article. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. There is a book on the table. We dash already spent all our money. Your options are will, have, none. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. We have already spent all our money. It dash a lot in this monsoon season. Your options: rain, rains, raining, all. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. It rains a lot in this monsoon season. I dash play tennis every day. Your options: used for, used of, I am used to. Your time starts now. The correct answer is D. I used to play tennis every day. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ వీడియో. మీరు ఎన్ని ప్రశ్నలకు ఆన్సర్ చేశారో కామెంట్ చేయండి. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్, కామెంట్ అండ్ షేర్ ఆల్ ఇన్ వన్ తెలుగు టు ఇంగ్లీష్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్.